Please stay right here. Bear and Bailey are getting ready for bed. Please say goodnight.